Welcome back, my wonderful members. I'm here with Mr. Michael Dow, our winner for our bourbon cocktail crafting contest. Mr. Dow came up with an outstanding peach-flavored old-fashioned. With all the submissions, I have to say this one was incredible. You have the whiskey, you get the hints of the peach with it. It's wonderful.
Thank you, Lainey.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Show us how to make your
I'm gonna show you how to make it.
All right, let's
Absolutely,
do this.
absolutely. Hello, everybody. I'm Michael Dow. Welcome to the Rookery. As Lainey just told you, I'm going to show you today how to make a Bonita bourbon. I've been drinking old fashions for several years now, enjoying them probably more than I should. But I've done a lot of experimenting on the side, and one of the things I like to do is I try to add different things to the old fashioned to make it even better. And one of the things that I've come up with is adding a flavored whiskey to the old fashioned in place of the typical bitters and simple syrup. So I've tried a couple different flavored whiskeys. I've tried peach flavored, I've tried black cherry, tried blackberry. My favorite though by far has been the peach. So that's really how the Bonita bourbon was born. I hope you enjoy it. So to make a Bonita bourbon, you start with muddling fruit, just as you do with a traditional old-fashioned. At Fresh Market, they have a bourbon infused cherry, which the name of the brand is Tillin Farms Bourbon Bada Bing Cherries. And I tell you what, they make the drink even better. But what you do, you start out with a couple of cherries, and we have some peaches, basically frozen peaches. Because if you buy a peach at the store, obviously it's probably not going to be ripe enough, but this will work just perfectly. And then add a little bit of this Goya nectar, which will allow us to muddle the fruit. That might have been a little too much, but that's okay. All right, we muddle away here a little bit. All right, just as you would do with a traditional old-fashioned. And next, we add Bird Dog peach flavored whiskey. And if you can't find Bird Dog, Jim Beam also has a peach flavored whiskey. Basically a ratio of 1 to 3, 1 part flavored peach flavored whiskey to 3 parts of regular bourbon. And again, I like Knob Creek, so you can use Knob Creek, Basil Hayden, Makers, whatever your preference is. And I'm gonna do 3 parts of bourbon, as so.
That is looking good.
It's getting there. And then we mix it up real good. Now we add the ice. Give it another little mix. And obviously over time, once the ice melts, the consistency of the drink will change a little bit. And there you have a Bonita bourbon. A little bit sweeter and fruitier than a traditional old-fashioned, but one of my favorites.
Absolutely. You can come down now and try out the Bonita bourbon at the Rookery, Mr. Dow's specialty. We'll see you here soon. Happy pouring.
Thank you, everybody.